Hello, I'm Dr. Hertz. What is your name? Ah, yes. I remember you from the first part of the Entspannen study. Yes, it is quite an amazing substance, isn't it? Well, thank you for coming back to participate in the second part of this study. Since we already have all of your information on file, you won't need to fill out any additional paperwork. Just make sure that you get a copy of your consent form from the secretary after the testing session, okay? The drug company sponsoring this study has developed a second topical gel called Entspannen B. The response to Entspannen A was so overwhelming that their parent company decided to develop an even more concentrated and effective formula. The new formula is being tested in our lab before its release for spa and personal use. Now, I know you're a pro at these studies already, but I've got to give you some information first, all right? Good. First of all, Entspannen B is still made of all natural ingredients, so no worries there. The formulation has just changed a little bit. It will not harm you. This product is a topical scalp massage gel, just like Entspannen A, but Entspannen B can also be applied to the face and neck for added relaxation. We have already tested this product on around 5,000 participants, and the response has been very positive. I will be applying Entspannen B, once again, just like before, with this soft fan-tipped sterile paintbrush, just like this one. See? Yeah, you remember that brush. I will also be using the paintbrush, not my hands, to apply the product to your face and neck because of its extreme tingle-producing properties. And I know you don't want my hands going numb during this, do you? I'll be recording your responses to Entspannen B while I apply it to various areas on your head and neck, just like before. Yes, just like before. I encourage you to share your experience with me, as this will help us to understand the properties of this product when applied to different skin and hair types. That will be most helpful to us. Yes, thank you. Also, and I'm just telling you this so that you remain calm, all right? I just realized that this is a much stronger formulation than Entspannen A, okay? It's going to feel a little bit different. Some participants indicated that it feels a little bit out of control upon the first application, but I will just say, please just remain calm and breathe, all right? The experience will be a positive one if you will just relax and give the gel time to penetrate the skin, okay? Do you have any questions? No, no one has dropped out of the study. No, not to worry. It was never unpleasant for them, just a little bit intense. So, do you still wish to proceed with the study? Great. Now, if you'll follow me into the testing chamber, it's right this way. All right. So, if you'll just have a seat in this chair for me. Yes, same chair. Okay, first I'm going to need to part your hair right down the middle. Are you comfortable? Good, good. Okay, so it's going to be very similar to the last time. I'm going to need to part your hair in various places so that I can apply this gel to your scalp. And I want you to tell me about your experience while I'm doing this, okay? And I'll show you this gel first. You can see this gel. Yes, the last one was blue. This one is purple. It's a light purple color. And it is supposed to smell like lavender. So if you'll take a smell. Oh, good. I'm glad that you like this one. It is, I think so too. I think it's more pleasant than the last one too. Well, it's a little bit thinner in consistency than the last one, which you may feel or may not. We'll see. But I'm going to start by parting your hair right down the middle. So here we go. All right. Get a good part there. I always miss a spot. All right. Great. Now I'm going to be applying this gel to both sides of this part, okay? Now, this is the moment of truth, so just relax, and it will be a very pleasant experience. Just let me know how you feel, okay? All right, just breathe. At This on the right side, the front. All right. I told you it'd be a little bit intense. So you're already feeling, okay, you're already feeling tingles from this. Get this on the left side. It's a little bit cool. Wish we could warm this up before we put it on your scalp. All right. Yeah, it is a little bit more immediate, isn't it? Are you doing all right? Just breathe. Okay. See, it does feel a lot better. Just let it sit on your skin for a little bit. And as it warms up, it gets pulled down into the skin, and it evens out. So you're feeling tingles on both sides of the part. Okay. Noted. Okay. Gotta get this good and saturated. Okay. Now, I'm going to make another part. Again, you're such a pro at this. I'm going to make another part down the right side of your head. A little bit down from this part. All right. Just get this nice and straight. Yeah, parting is not my forte. Thank you for being so patient with me. Let's just get this Entspannen B on here. Get some more of this, okay? And on the other side, all right. It is a little bit crazy feeling. So you feel more intense tingles on this side. That's interesting. Okay. Get it on the other side of this part. Yes, I wish that I could have been a part of this study. Well, we get free samples to take home, so. Okay, so this side of your head is starting to feel really warm and tingly. Okay, really warm. Noted. And I'm going to make another part on this side, on the right side. Just one more part. Look at this area by your ear. Okay. This hair out of the way here. Okay. Yes, the scalp has to be pretty saturated. It's a very time-consuming process, but I think it's worth it. Okay, it's intense right now. Do you want me to stop? Okay, just give it a minute. Yeah, it just takes a minute. Okay. Just want to make sure that you're comfortable. Well, I'm glad that you're enjoying it. You just have to come at it with an open mind, I think. All right. So around your ear right here. And I'm just going to put some on the very top of your ear. Okay? And down around your earlobe. I know it sounds kind of weird, but just bear with me. You ready? Okay. Yeah, this tends to be a very intense moment. Down around your earlobe. Right there. Yeah, those are pretty intense tingles, huh? That's what it's supposed to do. So now I'm going to go to the left side of your head. And again, I'm going to make a part. Okay, all the way to the back. Let's get this nice and straight. We like straight parts here. Okay. Again, here we go. You're feeling that same, okay, that same sensation on this side, right? Okay. It's warming up. I guess it does kind of feel like it kind of rubs up on your skin. Yeah, it works fast. But it's pleasant? Okay, good. That's what we like to hear. And again, one more part on this side by your ear. All right. Look at this. Oh, shoot. I missed a spot. You're so patient. Thank you. All right. Okay. I'm going to get this on both sides of this part again. Same old drill. It is interesting to compare the two sides of your head right now, with it being on there for a while and just having it put on. Yep. But it feels, so you have tingles all over your head right now. Okay, okay, good. Good. And again, I'm going to put this on your ear, on this side, right here. I'm going to work down to your neck, because again, this is also a face and neck gel. Is that all right? Okay. I'm going to put this on the very back of your neck, just the nape of your neck, all the way down. Yeah, that's a different feeling, isn't it? It feels different than it does on your scalp. Okay, noted. It is very cool at first, yeah. It warms up nicely on the skin. Yeah, just breathe. This, I agree, it's going to do very, very well in spas. It is an amazing product, isn't it? Okay, so you're getting neck tingles. Oh, that's interesting. Around the sides of your jaw, you have tingles on your jaw and around your face. Wow. Lucky you. All right. I'm going to get the base of your neck where it meets your shoulders now. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, the different areas, it does produce different sensations in different areas of the body. It is interesting. But being so close to your spine and everything, you feel tingles down your spine now. Oh, okay. Maybe that's just the power of suggestion. No, you really do. Okay, okay. You feel it down in your shoulders, like around your shoulder blades. Noted. I'm glad that you're finding this relaxing. Okay, I missed the spot right here. And I'm just going to come around and put this, a little bit of it on your forehead, just to see what it feels like on your face. Okay? So, move your hair out of the way here. Okay. So here we go. On your forehead. It feels warm on your forehead. Oh, okay. So whereas it felt cool in other areas, this feels warm.